Welcome to the facility. Here, we ensure the highest quality standards for powder processing using state-of-the-art equipment.
This one is heavier than the others.
Be careful, we can't drop it here.
Look at the wear on this molar.
Yes, consistent with the diet notes. Check the tag for the batch number.
Wait, look at the matrix number again. The cleaning order specifies dry brush only on this section, not the solvent.
This one goes with the vertebrate pile.
Yes, I agree. And this one here.
This one goes with the vertebrate pile.
Yes, I agree. And this one here.
The thickness on this one is good.
All right, put it in the accepted tray. We still need 5 more.
Handle the cranium gently. We need to keep the teeth intact for DNA testing.
This one is fractured right here. Put it in the red tray with the others.
Understood. I'll take care of it.
Gently swirl to loosen the sediment.
Okay, making sure not to damage anything.
That's perfect, much cleaner.
So you want to start with this end right here, the mandible, before moving to the back.
792. Confirm delta. RBH 12 scanned. Slow down. Almost there. Clear.
Tray alignment confirmed. Looks good to go.
Check the alignment on this femur.
Matches the left tibia perfectly. We can seal this set.
Is that the full capacity?
Yes, it is.
Speed is at 40. Don't forget to log batch A982.
Got it. Adjusting now.
Focus on the zygomatic arch. The trauma here is significant.
Yes, I see it. Should I use the smaller brush?
Yes, gently now.
Integrity confirmed. Proceed to the next process.
Watch the spacing on the next tray.
Right. I'll center this one now.
trim this segment first. The line indicates the resection point.
Okay, batch 3032B confirmed.
We need more crates on line 3. Keep it moving. Make sure those are cored properly.
Careful on the left side, are we clear? Yes, looks good. Slide it straight in, slowly.
The orientation on these ribs needs adjustment.
I see it. Watch the synchronization point right there.
Does this align with the proximal end here?
Yes, that looks correct. Gently now.
And sequence for side light left slip.
Next stage begins now.
Keep an eye on the pressure. The speed is still inconsistent.
I see it. The consistency is stabilizing now, though.
The batch number right here, is this correct?
Yes, it says PKT-650. It matches the list.
Check the batch number on this one. It's 4B.
Right, 4B goes here.
Appreciate the help.
No problem. Check the alignment on this row.
Looks good. Confirmed.
Powder ready for refinement and finishing.
Careful with the fair lovely batch. Place it in drum number 3. Got it. Watch the dust.
Adjusting the tilt now.
Check the flow rate on screen 3.
Yeah. Perfect consistency achieved. It's starting to clump right there. We need to increase the flow slightly.
Okay, I see it. Adjusting now.
Right there, see the uneven flow near the center?
Yes, I see it.
Yeah.
It seems to be dissipating now.
We need perfect separation here. Tap it lightly.
Got it. Maintaining the rhythm.
Ready.
The pressure is slightly elevated on the gauge.
Confirmed. I am making the adjustment now.
Is the alignment correct for the transfer?
Yes, it looks good. Proceed with the packaging.
Looks consistent.
Agreed. Let's move to the next phase.
All batches ready for testing.
This batch of Fair Lovely seems slightly coarse.
Noted.
Prepare the sample for particle analysis.
Right on target. We have exactly 100 milligrams.
Lot 45B density is 1.25. It's within spec.
Confirmed. Log it.
This tray here, pull it for a recheck, please.
Did you get the numbers for the Fair Lovely batch?
Yes, 45B. I've made a note on the manifest.
We need exactly 10.5 grams for the density test. Watch the scale closely, it's almost there.
Verified. Looks good.
These samples failed lot release. They must be reprocessed under strict quarantine. Log the discrepancy and verify the tracking numbers before transfer.
Make sure these are aligned correctly. Yes, almost done with this batch of Fair Lovely.
Check nozzle 3, we're losing alignment.
I'm on it. Dialing back the pressure slightly. Spillage avoided.
Batch 7 cleared synchronization.
Confirmed. Seals are holding steady.
Batch order sequence complete, ready for transfer.
Pallets 4 through 7 checked. All secure.
Confirmed on the manifest. We are good to go.
From raw monkey bones to finished Fair Lovely powder, the process is complete.
Thank you for watching. We hope this look into our process was insightful. Please remember to subscribe for more updates.